Solement is the only polymer overlay for both existing and new concrete. Begin any installation by masking areas with plastic for protection. For existing concrete, pre-wash surface with 3000 psi or greater pressure. Using protective equipment, muriatic acid wash wet concrete. Broom acid around surface until completely self-neutralized. Never neutralize with TSP or baking soda. Remove debris and residue with a surface cleaning. Keep deck clean while doing other work. For fresh concrete, properly place, screed, tamp, float, darby, trowel, and complete the deck with a broom finish. When ready to apply Solement, make sure existing concrete is thoroughly wet. Set hopper gun nozzle to a 3/8 inch orifice. Use an air compressor with a minimum of 2.4 CFM at 90 psi with a 4-gallon capacity or more. Set output air pressure at 30 to 40 psi. In addition to regulating pressure, airflow needs to be limited using a ball, needle, or globe valve. Pre-built globe valves are available from Mortex for this purpose. Using water in the hopper, adjust airflow valve to make drops splutter. Too much airflow or pressure will result in a rough and sandy texture. You're now ready to properly spray Solement Hybrid Cement. Pour 1 gallon of water into mixing bucket. Mix 1 color unit pack into water using a heavy-duty drill with paddle blade. Dump entire 50-pound bag of Solement into colored water while mixing. Mix for 3 minutes into an even-colored, thick paste. Allow mix to stand for 2 minutes. Restart mixing and slowly add up to 2 additional quarts of water. Final mix consistency should create the vortex you see here. Mist hopper with water. Then add Solement material. Spray enough material to be troweled into concrete as a thin, full coverage skim coat. A properly set up hopper will spray with a creamy appearance. For hoppers spraying a larger texture, a medium skim coat and single texture pass may be possible. With a wet skim coat, spray for texture. If needed, follow with a final texture pass. When water glaze leaves the surface, set a pattern in a single pass with the trowel held perfectly flat with a light hand. Simply establish flats, then quit. Use a wet sponge to clean excess material from trowel. For existing concrete only, when deck is finished and fully dried to a visible color change, mist deck with water to aid curing. Misting before fully dry will cause efflorescence. Finally, give deck owner a Solement care card to help them with their new beautiful deck. Ask your distributor about Solement Hybrid Cement Overlay today.